So quick disclaimers first, going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow, and as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So first up is going to be the C add 9 chord, which is going to be like this. That's going to be a dead string, 3, 2, open, 3, 3. Next up is going to be the E minor 7 chord. That's going to be open, 2, 2, open, 3, 3. Next up is going to be the G major chord. That's going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Then the D major chord. That's going to be dead string, open, 2, 3, 2. Then lastly, it's going to be the B7 chord, which means that we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 2nd fret from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a dead string, 2, 4, 2, 4, then 2. So all in all, we've got the C add 9 chord, E minor 7 chord, G major chord, D major chord, and the B7 chord. Okay, so for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums, and this part of your thumb for the up strums. So once again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. So once again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now with that said, that entire strumming pattern is going to be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the intro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, and as for the first verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's pretty much the same chord progression for the intro section. Instead of just repeating it once, we're going to be repeating it twice now this time for this section of the song. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the first chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So sure that you're driving me home, and I don't wanna leave, but I have to go. You kiss me in the car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen Okay, and as for the second verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. But So lastly, for the second chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. But it's over, then you're driving me home, and it kinda comes out singing. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before, but it's not real, and you don't exist, and I can't recall the last time I was kissed. It hits me in the car, and it feels like the end of a movie I've seen before. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.